in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a solid vignette background in Premiere Pro. To create a solid background, all you need to do is to come over here and select this new item icon over here and select a color mate and hit OK and give this a color you like. For example, you can give this red and hit OK and hit OK once more. The next thing you want to do is to drag this color mate onto your timeline over here. Now you want to drag it to the duration you prefer. And if you decide to change this color, all you need to do is to double tap it and you can change the color to whatever you prefer and hit OK once more. And if you want to add a vignette to this solid color, all you need to do is to go over to your Lumetri color tab and scroll down to vignette, and you can increase the amount of vignette over here. So when you take it to the left, it's going to give you a black vignette. You can also adjust the midpoint over here to the left or to the right. Another thing you can do is to adjust the feathers over here. And as you can see over here, we've created this blue solid background with a little bit of vignette. And now you can add some text to your background. And that's it guys on how to create a solid background with vignette in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.